As an alumna of Generiss Academy, I'm excited to share my career transformation story. You know, seeking a career change, I enrolled in their project management certification training course, and the comprehensive curriculum and expert guidance enabled me to pass the PMI certification examinations, becoming a certified project management professional. What's more, I'm now employed as a contractor IT project manager working remotely from home with a Fortune 500 company. Generiss Academy's exceptional training and support have been instrumental in my career success. So I highly recommend their programs to anyone looking to advance their career in project management.